YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. In this video, we're going to be checking out Sekuya Multiverse project, the new Earth multiverse. But before we dive into it, always remember I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Sekuya exists to be a virtual world full of excitement for everyone, borderless, decentralized. They have news, white paper, and an audit on the project. Our project's Web3 and gaming social world. We believe in fun, exciting, and positive virtual world can exist where people can explore their potential in this space. They have their NFTs, pretty cute NFTs, I will say. The centralized NFT marketplace provides not only digital collectibles, but also real-world asset NFTs. Wow. So they're striving for RWA in they're aiming to be a RWA project as well. Okay, Sekuya aims to bridge the gap between the real world and digital world, partnering with the official brand partners throughout the continent to provide you with a better experience in the NFT world. And they have SKUY use case. We want to make easy, fast, and secure way to make integration in 020 economy. So they're helping the environment. They're about going green. Okay, survival game, mobile apps, and PC games development where players can participate in completing quests, defeating monsters, and player versus player content as well. Tokenomics, 1 trillion SKUY, 53% is already burned, 0% tax, buy and sell. Oh, 0% buy fee, 8% on the sell. Okay, I like that. You know, it'll help people to hold until they make profit. They won't sell. You know, 3% marketing, 5% holo reward. So reflections and 3% to marketing, and 53% of the supplies burn, 34% to liquidity, 8% marketing, 5% to the treasury. Nice stuff. They have news as well, how to buy, Sekuya team. Okay, so they have the team right here. 2 of them have LinkedIn profiles. Okay, it's pretty bullish. They have videos, Sekuya stories. You see, this is a project that I like. You could tell this was like, they didn't just, you know, put this together, you know, it wasn't rushed, I should say, right? Let me see if I could pull it up so we could take a look at one of these videos. Oh man, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like where they're headed with it, man. I like what they're doing. So it's a Web3 gaming social project. It is a metaverse. It has the project is deflationary. Their burn goal is 80%. We see what burns could do with supply squeezes, guys. If their burn goal is 80% of the supply, that's gonna be crazy. And you know, 0% on the buy, and you get 5% reflections as well. So, you know, they have something going for themselves with this project. I gotta say, the Sekuya team and community, you guys got something going for yourself with this one. Community very active, nice amount of likes and retweets. Chinese whale is there. So they'll build out a game as well. Big whale tweeting about it. DeFi and GameFi in Indonesia. All amazing stuff, man. Absolutely great stuff. They have partnerships being made as well. Blockchain Indonesia, Maja Labs. Nice, man. Very nice. Very nice from the Sekuya team. and community. I like what I see with this project. I'm bullish on the project. The chart also looks pretty good. You know, most meme coin projects, or not meme coin, because this is an altcoin. You could tell this is an altcoin, even though it you know, it does have taxes, but they do plan to build out some type of utility, but it still has that high risk. Okay, so always manage your risk. Most projects though, when they launch and then they come back down and just flatline. This has been on a steady uptrend. Okay, so that means people in this project are holding, which is great to see that they're holding, guys. Yeah, pretty bullish, man. I gotta say, it's pretty bullish. I wish nothing but success for the project. I hope the Sekuya team and community, you guys absolutely crush it. If you hold the project, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Sekuya team, if you see this, I'll be definitely happy to cover the project more on the channel. Let's work out some type of partnership, guys, so I could consistently make videos for you guys. And yeah, everything about the project and myself will be in the description. And also join my Patreon to support the channel. Access to my private Discord, early content, exclusive content, giveaways, you name it. Become a Patreon, guys, so we could work together and find these plays super early. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.